Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this really cute kind of glammy look for the springtime using the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then keep on watching. So the first shade I'm going in with is the shade Dream Maker, and I'm placing that in my crease with a blending brush, and I'm slowly building it up to the opacity that I want. And then the next shade I'm going in with is Meadow, and I'm focusing this more so on the outer portion of my eye, and then bringing it into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner. I'm using the Nars High Pigment eyeliner in the shade Mambo. It's a nice reddish brown shade. And then I'm taking a winged liner brush, and I'm using that to help kind of smoke out and smudge out this eyeliner into a little wing shape. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I honestly think this look looks the best with a little wing on it. Just a little flick. Doesn't have to be anything crazy, or it can be whatever you want to do. And then I'm going to take the shade Feel Free and put that on top of the eyeliner. It honestly is like a perfect match, so that's what I love so much about this shade and that eyeliner. But I'm gonna, use that, kind of bring it up a little higher from the eyeliner originally to help kind of make it a little thicker, but also smoke it out a little bit. And then I am taking that shade Side to Side, which is that Supershock shade, and I focus this on the inner half of my eye, but I do slowly bring it out a little bit to the outer portion of my lid, because I'm going to take the shade Melody, and I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my eye to kind of bridge the matte to the shimmer, if that makes sense. And then I'm taking the eyeliner again, I'm taking the eyeshadow Feel Free, and I'm putting that on top again because it got a little lost. But after that, I'm taking a flat shader brush, and I'm putting Meadow underneath my eyes to kind of start smoking it out. But then I decided that I just wanted to put Feel Free mostly on the under eye because I wanted that to connect to the wing. So that's what you see me doing right here, is more so kind of focusing on the outer third of my eye, and then slowly kind of smoking it in a little bit. And then I just do the same thing to my other eye. This is what it looked like. This is how the eyes kind of came together. So now I'm just going to go in with this Milani Soft Glow, and I'm going to place this all over my face along with my L'Oreal Age Perfect Serum Foundation, and I'm applying this on my face with my brush, and you see me kind of add an extra layer just for a little more coverage. So I honestly like this because it kind of gives a glowy look to the eye makeup, which, gives me spring vibes, but, use whatever kind of foundation you like. I'm going to go in with the Fit Me loose setting powder, and I'm using this to kind of set my cheeks a little bit, and then I go in with my Milani bronzer, and I'm going to really bronze up the face. I went a little ham on it. Like, I probably could have toned it down, but I was feeling some glow, or bronze. Wow, Vivian, can you talk? Okay. But yeah, I just kind of was going for more of a bronzy look, and I like to put this on my nose, my lips, my cheeks, my forehead. I feel like I don't really contour my nose, so I like to give my nose a bit more warmth so it looks included. Then I'm going in with this Colourpop Supershock Cheek in the shade Count Me In, which is actually part of that collection as well from Colourpop. And then I'm taking the Juvias Place Cleo Loose Highlighter, and I'm applying this on my cheeks. Where you put your little highlight in your nose and your lips. And then I'm going in with this Spring Roll lipstick by Colourpop, and I'm applying this on my lips. And then I go in with some L'Oreal Bambi Eyes mascara, and this is what it looked like after 2 coats. And this is the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you liked this look. If you did, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.